Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add full screen reel to our Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first thing first, I'm going to select a reel I want to add to my Instagram story. I'm going to go to the search section. Then, for example, I'm going to add this reel to my Instagram story. We can click on the reel, then we can click on this send button. Then we're going to click on add to your story. Add to story. Then if we want to get the full screen reel, we can zoom in like this. Okay, once you're done, you can click on your story. Then the reel will be added or will be posted on your Instagram story. Okay, and I'm just going to track it, guys. I'm going to track it on my story. Now the reel is being uploaded, as you can see, and we have to wait until the process has completed. And as you can see, if we added the full screen reel, we will have option to watch full reel right here. Alright guys, and that's how we can add full screen reel to our Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.